Hello everyone. Today's topic is how to increase your immunity in 3 easy steps. Welcome to my channel VK Pro Health. Here we believe that any disease condition can be tackled by proper aiming, proper planning and proper execution. So let's move on quickly to today's topic, that is immunity. And now what is immunity? Immunity in simple words is body's disease fighting ability. So the stronger immunity means strong ability to fight diseases. Now we'll see how we can take 3 easy steps to boost our immunity. The step number 1 is yoga and pranayama. A lot of individuals are not very clear about the difference between yoga and pranayama. Yoga is a general term for physical, mental and spiritual practices which originated in ancient India with the aim to attain a state of permanent peace. So it incorporates all three: physical, mental and spiritual practices. Where on the other hand, pranayama means extension of pran, means breath. It refers to various breathing exercises and also known as the yoga of breath. So to fight any infection, body cells need to be healthy. Body cells remain healthy by proper supply of blood and oxygen, and yoga and pranayama helps you achieve that. So it is very important to incorporate yoga and pranayama in your daily schedule. Remember, a healthy cell and a healthy body can always fight any infection in a better way. So now we'll come to step number 2. Diet rich in immune boosting foods. So what are immune boosting foods? First is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a potent fighter against all attacking germs. It is known as respiratory infection fighter, as it helps your lungs fight better with any type of infection. If you don't have vitamin C in your diet, chances are that your respiratory system is more prone to attack from intruding germs. So it is a must have in your diet. Now we'll see which foods are rich in vitamin C. Orange, lemon, broccoli, kiwi, cauliflower, tomatoes, strawberries, all that. Right? The second component after vitamin C is zinc. Zinc helps in cell growth and wound healing. If a cell gets wounded in a fight with germs, zinc is needed for proper healing. And as your body ages, zinc deficiency settles in. A zinc deficient cell then gets easily destroyed by the attacking germs. That is why you can see that elderly people are more prone to infections. Now let's see zinc rich foods. Zinc rich food are mushrooms, spinach, broccoli, garlic, legumes, milk and yogurt, dark chocolate, all of that. Okay, and peanuts, cashew nuts and almonds. Now the third important component that should be and must be in your diet is turmeric. Benefits of using turmeric are immense. Since ancient times, turmeric is used as the first anti-inflammatory medicine in all types of diseases. People used to apply turmeric on wounds for faster healing and preventive infections. Now, the practice of drinking milk with turmeric is still famous in many parts of the world, and the single aim is to increase your immunity. Now, step number 3. Step number 3 is taking help of medicines. There are various known medicines which you can use to enhance your immunity. So, number 1 comes is homeopathic medicines. Now there are various homeopathic medicines such as arsenic album, camphor, cephia, calcarea, zincum, all that are used as potent immunity booster medicines. But make sure you consult a qualified homeopathic physician before taking any medicines, because it all depends from individual to individual. Every case is different, every individual is different. Now Ayurvedic medicines. Ayurvedic decoctions, also known as kadhas, made from tulsi, basil, dalchini that is cinnamon, kali mirch that is black pepper, shunthi that is dry ginger and munakka, raisin and many others. But here again I want to stress that Don't do self-medication. Consult your doctor before taking any medicines. Okay. The third important point are supplements. Now, as we know that vitamin C and zinc are essential for our immune system. So supplements rich in vitamin C and zinc are of great help. One such supplement is mentioned in the description of this video. It has 2.5 mg of zinc and 3.5 mg of vitamin C per pill. If you want, you can check that out. Now, the main point of this: proper aiming, proper planning and proper execution to increase your immunity. Now, how you will do that? We know that our aim should be to strengthen our immunity to prevent infections. So once you are clear about your aim, you can definitely make a plan about it. Second, now we should plan our daily routine to incorporate at least 30 minutes of yoga and pranayama. Also, we should make it a habit of adding vitamin C, zinc and turmeric every day to our diet. That is first two steps: proper aiming, and now we have proper plan. Now how to execute that plan, that is also important, because just aiming and planning is not important, you have to execute it. So executing our plans: add a vitamin C rich fruit to your breakfast. It could be anything, you can choose from the list we have shown before. Also add a zinc rich food in your lunch or dinner. And finally, you can have turmeric in milk before you go to bed at night. So that's are all our 3 steps: aim, plan and execute. Do all that and see your immunity gets enhanced. All the best.